everyone, welcome back to my sewing vlog. So today I have just been to the Fabric Gallery, which is a fabric store in Pietermaritzburg, and I bought just a couple pieces of fabric. The last time I went in I bought a lot of stuff for bag making and things, but I needed just some fabric pieces for clothing. So my idea and my whole plan was that I was going to sew off my entire stash before I bought more fabrics, but I noticed that I have a lot of fabrics that are more for like bags and things and not enough for clothing. So I think this year I'm actually just going to count winter out. I did make this dress, but you can't really see it, but I made this dress that I was going to use for winter, and I've been wearing it with jackets and boots and things, but I just found that I've been spending so much of time at home with this whole thing that I don't actually need a lot of clothes. I've just been living in tracksuits and hoodies. So I decided to start sewing for spring and summer. So I have been looking for some light viscose plain colored tops. So I bought the fabric. I bought this color, which I think is so pretty. This color and this color. And my plan for these three is to make some nice flowy, comfortable summer tops. I want to try out shirring, cinching, puffy sleeves. So those are all going to be tried out on these fabrics here. I also got this purple viscose. It's very pretty, but it's very light and transparent, so I'm not exactly sure what my plans are going to be for this, but probably also a top, or maybe a shawl for when I go swimming. And then my dad has been going through his shirts and he's been wanting like a little bit more, what can I say, more out there fabrics. He wants more like cool prints and things, not the normal pinstripes and solid colors that I found in shirts. So I found this fabric. I haven't even showed it to him because when I ask him to make decisions he takes such a long time. So this is like not a normal shirting fabrics, but it is cotton. Cotton is always a little bit more pricey, but I feel like with shirts there's so much of effort that goes into actually making a shirt that you don't want to use any substandard fabric. So cotton is always just a go-to, and I haven't told him about it as yet, so I'm going to surprise him with that. Another thing that I have been doing is I've been having a lot of webinars with work, and I started doing a little bit of bead embroidery. So I've taken out my hoop, and I just find like a lot of times when I'm stressed and things, just like doing things with my hands help a lot. So I actually think these are quite good. Don't have any like actual idea for what I'm going to use them for. I was thinking about attaching like little clips so that they can be used as brooches, or even just attaching them onto your shoes. I've seen a lot of people do that, or attaching them onto your bag. So I'm not sure as yet. My friend, who probably is going to watch this, suggested I put them on moss. So that sounds quite cool and so a bit fancy. So we'll see how that goes. So I have already started cutting out the pieces for my first top. So I started off with this color. I have my back piece cut out. I have my front piece somewhere, and then I have my two sleeves cut out. So the plan is that I am going to pin the sleeves onto the back, then I'm going to pin the front on, sew the sleeves into place, and then I'm going to sew the actual top together. So the plan is to sew it all together and then add in the elastics. And with this top I'm thinking about actually doing like a cinch fold up design in the front. So I actually managed to find the exact match of thread, and it was in my stash, so I need to wind the bobbin up on that, and then we're all set to sew. Okay, just an update on the top. So the actual structure is all sewn together. I've added elastics on the top. I just need to actually hem the sleeves, and then it's just the cinching. So here's how it looks so far. So I'm just going to add in a space here to do the cinching, and I'm going to make the ties, hem the sleeves, and then we'll see how it looks. So I have completed sewing in this little strip, and I've completed sewing the channel. So basically it's a rectangle which I've sewn all around the edges, and I've sewn in the middle, leaving a gap over here so that I can actually feed through the string, and that will help me cinch my top. So I'm going to use my bodkin and feed in this through the channel. Day 2 today, so my top is all completed. So happy with how it turned out. Love the color, love the fit, and love the beautiful cinch details. I will post photos of the completed top, and you'll obviously see me wearing it today. It is still very cold, so I will have my jacket on. So the plan for today is I have just a few admin things to get through, and invoices to send out, and then I have 2 dog bed orders that I need to get through. So I've just been to the shop to get more of the stuffing, and I'm all set to complete those 2 orders. So yeah, that's the plan. Progress report, she is almost ready to be stuffed. I just need to do 1 more set of stitches to make sure that it is extra secure. Stuff it up, seal it, and then that is dog bed number 1 done. It's actually been taking me a little bit longer because I've had to stop and respond to emails and send out a whole lot of other documents, non-sewing related things. But progress. Yay! 1 down, 1 to go. I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next vlog or tutorial, whichever one comes first. Bye!